Before beauty rises, strength must go deep. This foundation will carry more than concrete. It will carry dreams.
Axles. Steel woven together like a spine of power. Concrete flows, locking strength into place. Engineered from the earth, it begins to rise. Column by column, beam by beam, geometry transforms into greatness. Stretch into space, a statement of modern engineering. Transparency defines its character. Massive glass panels reflect the sky now, blurring the line. Inside, space breathes. Open volumes, elevated ceilings.
Luxury lives in the details. Marble polished to perfection, lighting placed with intention, every surface refined, every edge flawless. Above it all, a private escape. A rooftop designed for sunsets, for conversations, for moments that matter.
Now it stands,